Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 99 GMC 2500. Good tread on the tires. It's just an old farm truck, work truck, whatever you want to say. Definitely needs a seat. But the miles ain't bad on it. 151,530 for its age. Runs, drives good. 6.0 in it, gas. Body's a little beat up. You see they use the bed a little bit. Tailgate's got some scratches. Then they had a little side swipe here. It was a plow truck. Still got the plow mounts on it, and I suppose they rubbed across something when it was plowing. But the nice thing, it isn't rusty. You know, right there in that front fender is really about the only bad spot. The cab corners are pretty good and stuff. So, nice cheap 4x4 truck. Be ready for the winter. Maybe you want to put a plow on it yourself. 605-692-7010.